Hello, hello. All of my nails are breaking. It's super sad. But look, I did my hair. Fun. It's nice and pink. We are headed out to the beach right now. And sponsored, kind of not sponsored by Hot Topic. Look at these cute little shorts that I bought for Junior at Hot Topic. Aren't they cute? Kirby.
Love them.
So we are very pink right now. Look at this.
Pinked it up.
But we are on our way to Target actually first. We're going to go pick up a couple things. And then we are headed out to Newport Beach and Balboa Island to go and explore and just have a fun little day. Those are some packages that Junior has to go ship out.
Fun day.
Yeah. You excited?
Fun day.
We haven't had a
Super
beach day in a
excited.
long time.
And
So.
what feels like forever.
Yeah.
Might even be over a year.
Might be a year.
An
Yep.
official beach day. We had an
Yes.
unofficial beach day.
Yes. So I'm going to put my seatbelt on so that way
Yell.
it'll stop yelling at me.
Oh man.
And here we go.
Bada bingo! Let's go get beach time.
Okay, so we went to Target, we got a couple things, and now we are going to go eat lunch, and we are going to a new place called Cafe Gratitude. It's a vegan cafe, and we're excited to try it. Go vegan! Right, there it is, Cafe Gratitude. You excited to try something new?
Yeah.
Yeah! That's cute. Cute little outdoor area.
Excited to try something good?
Yeah! Doggy! Doggy! Little doggy! I really like that. Okay, there he goes. Alright, so on the menu, everything is I am hearty, I am peaceful, I am vivid, and I just really like that. It's super cute. Okay, so I'm gonna get this, and he's gonna get this. Let's do this. Alright, Junior got his first hemp milk coffee.
Really good.
And he likes it. Nummy, nummy, nummy. Nummy, nummy, nummy. Our food is here. So here is mine. It looks amazing. Look at all the colors. Oh my goodness. And then here's his.
Yours is much better than mine.
His doesn't look as fun, but it does look really good still.
Yeah.
I'm excited. His first bite. Here he goes. There he goes. Yummy, yummy. Good? Good stuff.
And vegan.
Yummy, yummy. I'm gonna have to come over here and take a bite.
Yeah. Here.
So there's this coconut yogurt type of stuff.
Yeah.
That's really good. That's really good.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Do it. He's using the coconut. Coconut's good. Okay, I'm gonna steal one of these. And then he also has these little chicken, but they are oyster mushrooms. Yummy. But it does have a chickeny taste. It's what?
Definitely tastes like chicken.
Interesting
Yep.
how they did that. They're good though.
They're really good.
Alright, now on to mine. Alright, so I got Kiwa with mine. Let's get a little bit of everything. I like it. This cheese is really good. It's like a nacho cheese from cashews. It's awesome.
Good stuff. Now I want to try.
Get in there. Okay, we ate our food. Nummy, nummy, nummy. I love that place. It was really good. As I mentioned inside, I really like their names. It's very humbling. Go that way. It's very humbling and just encouraging of
Motivational.
yeah, motivational, encouraging and motivational of like self-love and stuff. So I really, really like that. But it was awesome. We like it. We'll come back definitely. If you guys are in the Newport area, go check it out. It's really good.
Super tasty. Coffee was good. Definitely Colombian.
He was trying to figure out what type of coffee it was.
Was not Arabic.
It was Arabic. Alright, so now we are heading over to Balboa Islands.
California 1 South.
We're going to an island. Is it a private island?
It's a little island.
But is it private? Hey yo, we on the PCH. Yeah, yeah.
Yay, yay. Yay, yay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yay.
We on the PCH. This is what they sing about in those alternative rock bands from the early 2000s.
What, Sublime?
No, like that other band. Boys Like Girls and Yellow Card, Red Jumpsuit. They all talk about this street, this highway, this PCH.
Yeah.
Now we on it. Who would have thought?
We drive on this. Well, I drive on this street every single day, buddy.
I don't drive.
I know. He stays home. Alright, so we're going that way. That way. No, 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 no. It's a pretty little view over there.
Yeah, not so hazy. It's good.
It's pretty views. Pretty, pretty, pretty. There it is, guys.
You gotta get the sign.
I got the sign. So we are going in through the driving way
Here comes the sun.
this time. You can also go on the ferry as well, but we are driving over the bridge. Look at that.
This is nice.
So fun. Look at all those people living their best little ocean lives.
Turn right onto North Bay Drive.
Including Junior.
Yeah, it's very nice. Just worried about parking.
Yeah, parking's gonna suck, but it's okay. So Junior is super excited.
Uma ilha aqui perto da praia onde a gente mora.
He's sending it to his parents. He's super excited about it. But there's the little houses. They look super cute.
Parece
Here we are. There he goes. I like it. So fun.
the private decks like this. Get ourselves a boat. Call that boat Destiny.
I'd love to have a boat. That'd be fun. Pretty. Where? Oh yeah, it is. The whippersnapper. How do you say that one over there? Weaver?
Merriweather.
Merriweather? That one's Duffy. There he goes. Go, go. This one reminds me of the Jungle Cruise. It's a Jungle Cruise boat. Sandcastles.
Look at this wagon. Really cool.
Look at this. That's so cute.
Love that. Very much.
Oh, there's so many bears.
Oh, it's called Very Happy Day.
Oh,
That's the
there's so many bears. Very happy day. They're everywhere. Oh. Alright, so we didn't take the ferry, but now you can see a car actually on the ferry. And let's see. Look at it go. There's a bunch of little stores over here. These onions are crazy. Like, they're huge. Alright, so we are now at Newport and we are going out to the beach area just to go hang out for the day. He's walking so slow.
I got a lot more things. Okay. You're living a good life with that. For all the, it took us like 20 minutes to park because there's like nobody here.
I know, there really is nobody here. I swear we did not plan this. This is like a whole pink thing going on. Pink. You know me. I like my pink. And there he goes. Being weird. You look like a little old man. We did it. We did it. Na 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 na. We did it. We did it. We did it.
Great.
So we just got these. I'm pretty excited about it. Oops, sorry guys. Almost threw you guys. So I got us some towels, some nice big extra large beach towels. I really like mine. His is very boy colors. Now mine is like crazy, colorful. I love it. Palm trees. We got those at Walmart. And then we got these nice little chairs. Also at Walmart. And then I got this at Target, and this thing is epic. It was $20.
Altogether, we spent $30 and we got all
I think so too. But look at this. It has this nice little flappy flap. And then it's got the little cup holders. And it's super cute. It's got this little front pouch over here. And it matches my towel. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with this summer's look.
upgrade from last summer.
Yeah.
It was non-existent.
Yeah.
You ready to go?
I'm not going in the water.
We're going in the water.
He's going in the water. Go in the water.
We're going in the water.
Everybody will watch you. Go ahead. There he goes.
Let me show you how it's done.
Oh boy.
I'll let my shirt fly.
We're going to fly it like a kite.
Yeah, show off the Kirby. Kirby's first dip. Don't worry about the belly.
It's because he's dating an Italian. Oh gosh. Go in the water. Here he goes. It's our Baywatch song here. Doo-doo-doo. I don't know what the song is. Doo-doo-doo.
It's like putting your body in a bathtub full of ice.
Yep.
Crispy.
Yep. Pacific Ocean is definitely a little cold.
Definitely colder than...
He's making pillows.
See you again. Oh, yeah, oh, that's great. Won't get the door.
Alright, so we kind of vanished.
The sun
We kind of finished off our beach fun, and now it is nighttime. So he's driving kind of crazy.
No.
So I'm trying to hold on to this thing as tight as I can.
Almost
But we are on our way to the movie theater now, and we are going to go see Elemental. I'm very excited about it. It just came out last night, and I've been reading lots of bad, sad reviews on it, but I'm really excited about it because it looks super fun, and the colors look really amazing, and it's just a fun concept. So I'm excited. Are you excited?
super stoked.
Junior got his cheese stuff for his popcorn.
Reviews are kind of poop, but you know, a lot of the times the movies that you like, the reviews are poop.
Yeah.
You know?
So we're going in with high hopes, and we're gonna love it. So let me know if you guys have seen the movie, but I'm going to end this video now, and
let them know.
you
There is
guys-
I think it's like either a 5 or a
the
10
Carl.
minute Carl section right before the movie.
I think he's gonna have a girlfriend or a date, and I'm
Carl's
super
date.
excited. But yeah, so if you guys go see Elemental, there's supposed to be a little short of Carl from Up, and I think he's gonna go on a date, and it's super cute. But I won't spoil it for anybody, so if you've seen the movie, let me know. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys, and he will see you guys next time.
Dun, 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 dun.
Bye.